Hi everyone, welcome back to my new video. So in today's video, I'm going to review a very weird mascara because it's got thousands tiny lashes in this container. This mascara includes long lash up, curl fix, and coating fix. This one is from Etude House. I'll put the link in the description box. Check it out if you want to try this mascara. So I'm going to use the microscope to see what's those tiny lashes. This is a picture that is not under the microscope. Does it look like the hair from waxing strip? Like when you wax your hair from armpit. So those fibers are in this mascara fixer. Let's look at the images from the microscope. Look at the fibers. Those really look like hair. I will apply those fibers on my lashes and I will demonstrate how to use it. If you are curious to see what your makeup or skin look like under microscope, I'll put the microscope link in the description box. So how to use it? The first thing is to apply mascara fixer on your lashes after using eye curler. I think this mascara works perfectly for short lashes because it has fibers, it does not smudge at all, and it keeps your lashes on hold really long. I tried a few mascaras in the past. This one is on my top 3 list of my favorite mascara. Before the mascara fixer dries, apply a mascara on your lashes and wait until the mascara completely dries. Last thing is to apply the fixer again. Wow, my lashes look super long even from the distance. So magically, I highly recommend it if you have super short lashes like me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will review more cool makeup in the future. Bye bye, I will see you in the next video soon.